Today I'm going to teach you how to add emails to Mailchimp. This is a fundamental skill for building your email list and managing your subscribers effectively. Whether you're running marketing campaigns or simply staying in touch with your audience, first, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. This will take you to the Mailchimp homepage where you can access your account. Once you're there, look for the login button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and fill in those credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your account. Click on Audience. This section is where all your contact lists and subscriber management tools live, making it the central hub for handling your email contacts. From the Audience page, look towards the top right part of the screen where you'll see the Add Contacts button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Add a Single Contact. This option is perfect when you need to manually add individual subscribers to your list. Now you'll see a form appear on your screen. In the email field, type the email address of the contact you want to add. This is the primary identifier for each subscriber in your list. Below that, you'll need to fill in required fields such as first name, last name, and any other relevant details your list might require. These additional fields help you personalize your emails and segment your audience effectively. Next, take a moment to review the consent and permissions checkboxes that appear on the form. This step is crucial because it ensures you're following proper email marketing compliance rules and regulations. Make sure these checkboxes align with your list's compliance requirements and that you have proper permission to email this contact. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and verified the consent settings, scroll down to find the Add Contact button. Click it to complete the process and officially add this email to your Mailchimp audience. The contact will now be part of your list and ready to receive any campaigns you send out. And there you have it, you've successfully added an email to your Mailchimp audience, expanding your reach one contact at a time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.